What is up, guys? I am leaving Queenstown for the night and I'm going to be driving 3.5 hours to Dunedin. Reason why is because I've been casted in a movie that they're shooting in Dunedin and Oamaru for the month of March. The movie's called The Royal Treatment. It stars Mena. You might recognize him from Aladdin, the live action version, and Laura Marano, who was in The Perfect Date. I'm going to be playing a castle guard. That is why I'm going to Dunedin, not to shoot the movie actually, but to do wardrobe. I need to try on my castle guard outfit. Wardrobe is tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. So I'm showing up for a 1-hour appointment and driving 3.5 hours each way. Only 8 people from this American production were granted visas to enter the country of New Zealand. With COVID, everything's shut down. So only 8 people were granted exemption visas. I'm guessing it's the main actors, the director and all that. But other than those 8 people, everybody else involved in this movie is Kiwi. They hired 1,000 extras, 30 actors, and about 135 crew members, all locals. And I'm one of those extras. So I'm gonna head over to Dunedin right now and I'm gonna stay at my cousin Yan's place for the night. And then tomorrow morning I got my wardrobe appointment and then I'm gonna head back to Queenstown. So right after I received the confirmation that I was gonna be the castle guard extra in this movie, a couple of days later, the agency reached out to me and asked me if I was interested in being the lead actor's stand-in. So I was gonna be Mena Masood's stand-in for the entire shoot period, which is what I wanted for both the experience and also just the guaranteed income. To know that I was gonna drive to Dunedin, but at least I would be working the entire time there. So I said, hell to the yes. The only thing is that he's 172 centimeters in height, I'm 168, so that's about 1.5 inches difference. And when you're a stand-in, basically your job is to stand in for the actor. Let's say the camera guys or the sound guys are setting up the shot, to avoid having, to bring in the actor every time to put markers and track the shots and all that. They put the stand-in in. So I would be there on set all the time, on standby, as Mena Masood's stand-in while he's off in his trailer learning his lines. They got back to me and they said, yeah, you're too short. But I'm still gonna be the castle guard, so that's exciting.
I'm surprised.
You're coming with me?
Going with you.
You didn't bring anything with you though.
I don't need anything.
Are you sure?
No, I was just joking.
A lot of projects are being shot here in New Zealand because of coronavirus. Right now, there's not very many options. What the hell? This guy's just all over the place. Examples of this would be Avatar 2 and 3. So James Cameron's been here for a good while now, for a good couple of months. There is a Lord of the Rings series that will be on Amazon streaming platform that will begin shooting in New Zealand. Cowboy Bebop. So right now I'm going to Dunedin for wardrobe, and then on Wednesday I just got casted for another TV show, the 6-part mini-series called Under the Vines. So I have to drive an hour out of Queenstown next Wednesday to Clyde to be an extra for that shoot. And Ling was actually on that same show yesterday. She did her scenes in the afternoon for Under the Vines. I see the East Coast, St. Clair, St. Kilda Beach. What is up? But we're back for business.
Arrange some bronze and
back in Dunner. Let's see if anybody's here. Nobody's home right now. Could crawl in through the window technically. It's wide enough. It's all good. It won't be required. What if I flash some leg? Remember that leg? It is 10 to 9 a.m. Friday morning. I have a wardrobe appointment in 10 minutes. I'm gonna try my castle guard outfit. I don't think they're gonna let me film. Confidentiality, you know? They don't want to reveal what the castle guard costumes look like before the movie comes out. but I'm gonna see what we can do. Sorted. It is about 11:20, so this wardrobe appointment went a bit longer than they were expecting. Tried on my Castle Guard outfit. It looks pretty flash. I'm gonna be driving back to Queenstown, and then I'm gonna be back in Dunedin next week. Literally a week from today. I will be back here on Friday. My shoot day is tomorrow in Dunedin. There's a castle in Dunedin called Larnak Castle. And it makes perfect sense that if they're going to be shooting a movie about a royal family, Dunedin would be the best place because of that castle. It's absolutely stunning and beautiful, both inside and out. See you when I get back on Sunday.
Leg, but not really. Don't forget the Asian mom maxim, that if you're not number one on that set, then you're nothing. So go make me proud. That's not how you take over Mena Masood's job.
7:45 a.m. I've got a 8:05 call time at the base, which conveniently is just 10 minutes from my cousin Yan's place. Yeah, so brekkie at the base, wardrobe, makeup. If I look a little different, it's because I had to trim this thing here. They said that I had to be clean shaven. I haven't shaved in over 5 years. And I know what I look like when I shave. When I shave, I look like a boy. Now in this movie, I'm supposed to be a royal guard. I'm protecting the castle. I'm protecting the prince. I can't look like a boy. So I have a bit of a shadow here. Hopefully they're okay with it. I think it's okay, as long as I look clean. So I'm most likely going to be on set today with Mena Masood. When I met Charles Edwards on the set of Under the Vines, I've never heard of him. I've never watched The Crown, but I've actually seen Aladdin. Then we've got that Canadian connection. He's Egyptian born, grew up in Markham. Look at this person, good on ya. A lot of people running in this area, it seems. Alright, here we are. Just got to the base, parked. This is where I have to leave you guys. Obviously, I can't bring a camera inside. It's gonna be a day of, I don't know what to expect. They don't really tell you anything, so well, I'll let you know what happens. I'll see you in a bit. In like 10 hours maybe, or 8. We'll see. See how the shoot goes. Alright, that is a wrap. It's 5:30 p.m. So that's like a full shoot day from 8 a.m. to 5:30. That's a wrap on the Castle Guards. They're actually still back up there shooting a bunch of stuff. Where did I put my glasses? They shot all the scenes they needed with the Castle Guards in them today. It was really only one scene. When this Netflix movie comes out, I guarantee you that full day of shooting is gonna count for like maybe a minute and a half tops.
Please let me help you.
Izzy! Please. Izzy! Izzy!
See, I was supposed to be a stand-in, and I was standing next to him, and we're about the same height. So, I don't know. And then I even met the stand-in who got the job, and he showed me the platforms that they made him wear because he's just slightly shorter. He told me that when he's with Mena, he feels a bit taller than him. So I think I got shafted. I think I could have totally been his stand-in. But if I was the stand-in, I would not be in this movie. And speaking with the stand-ins, that was their one thing. They said, yes, we'll be here for the full month-long shoot. We're with the crew every day for like 10 hours and we'll get paid well, but we won't be seen in the movie at all. But while I was standing on those steps, the director just said action, and then they started acting. And then I kind of had this weird out-of-body experience where I was looking at my life and I'm like, dude, you are in New Zealand right now, in Dunedin at Larnak Castle, wearing an outfit which was tailor-made for you that costs $2,000, made of materials imported from all over the country, and freaking Aladdin is standing in front of you acting with Laura Marano. Like, how crazy is that? Like, they were shooting a very intense scene. I'm basically gonna reveal a major plot point. Laura Marano is the hairstylist, and she gets exposed that she's having an affair and she's seducing the prince, so they fire her. And this is the scene where she is going home, basically. Mena's character is running after her and saying, "Where are you going, Isabella? You can't leave." You could see that in between takes, Mena was really in the zone. Laura Marano is just an absolute delight. Really nice to everybody, talking to everybody, asking the makeup people how their days were going. Just a real pleasant person to be around. So grateful that I was able to be on set again, because it's a rarity to get 2 projects in 1 week. So being on Under the Vines and The Royal Treatment in 1 week has been awesome. Well, anyways, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next vlog.